Hello everyone. Welcome to EA Home Design. Thanks for joining today's episode. We will know 10 modern house roof designs ideas. So let's start today's episode. Did you know that choosing a roof for your dream home is no easy task? Yes. When choosing a house roof design, there are many factors to consider, such as planning considerations, technical construction methods, convenience, use, and not forgetting the aesthetics of the home. The popularity of simple house roof designs has increased dramatically in recent years, along with cost benefits. Designs about some of the popular features of several home roof designs. Number 1. Roofing styles for small houses. Although apartment culture is on the rise, some people still want to settle down in a beautiful individual house of their own. The red color scheme of the pre-painted metal roofing that looks similar to a potsherd signifies a country look, while the soft color scheme of the house's outer look makes it stand out, elevating the look of your small home. Number 2. Flat roof house designs. Flat roof styles are cost-effective options for homes since fewer materials are used. It is one of the attractive options for commercial buildings since the installation is relatively quick. It also acts as a base to stack up another floor in the future. Although these roofs are structurally simple, there is a chance of dust and debris sticking up on the top, which needs regular supervision. Number 3. Sloping roof house designs. One of the popular roofs you can find in any residential property is a sloping roof. The wooden house roof design has a steeply sloped roof that creates extra space, improving your house's heating and cooling. Another advantage of a sloping roof is it allows water, dirt, and other stuff to slide off without accumulation, giving you a lasting roof. Number 4. Contemporary, sloped roof houses. The contemporary roof patterns for houses make your home brighter and more prominent. The design of this home maximizes the sun's brightness by taking advantage of the path. It also helps get rid of unwanted dirt with the help of the slopes. This beautiful roof gives your house an airy feel, making it one of the best locations to host your friends or family. Number 5. Hut-shape roof design. This is one of the simple house roofing styles in the shape of a hut, popularly used in heavy rain or snowfall areas. These slopey roofs prevent the stacking up of environmental elements, making it a perfect choice in hilly areas. This beautiful bungalow with a hut roofing is constructed in vast areas. Number 6. Dyna Roof House Design. Dyna Roof is an Assam-based flagship company that produces metal roof designs for houses that are usually color-coded. The metal roofing beautifully blends in with the color pattern of the house. The unique mark on the roof not only looks beautiful but is long-lasting too. If you are looking for a generic metal roofing for your home, Dyna is the perfect option. Number 7. L-shaped house roof design. The formation of a triangular spot where the two pitched areas of the roofs meet can be extended, forming the shape L, making it one of the best house roof designs. It is a roof that can be found popularly in large houses since it is easy to build, facilitates ventilation, and sheds water well. Number 8. Farmhouse roof styles. Usually built on agricultural lands, a farmhouse is a simple yet elegant construction. This type of house roofing design's unique feature is the protruded window roofing that stands out compared to the triangular roof you find across the house. The white and gray combination of the house's exterior not only looks beautiful but gives you the feel of your farm. Number 9. Beautiful Scotch roof houses. The key material used in the construction of a Scottish roof is local stone or slate. Initially, large slates are used to cover the top, and finishing it by adding small pieces of slates will give you a raw look to your home. Using these house roof designs represent your Scottish heritage proudly. Although the material is durable, checking it out regularly helps you deal with issues quickly. Number 10. Villa roof design. Villas are a common sight in posh areas and are gaining popularity in many cities. This beautiful blue roof house design stands out against the house's light color palette, creating a synchronous feeling. This villa's roofing has a combination of flat with slopes and triangular roofs that make your home look elegant and modern. Today our episode so far. If you like our video, then please like, comment and subscribe. And Ye Home Design is always by your side to decorate your home and make any changes.